Are you looking for something that you can do from home and while you're at home, make money with it? Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $15 to $22 per hour again and again, make money online right now. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. As you can see, I'm on Google and I'm just going to explain to you how this works. Now, the beauty about this, you do not need any money to join this program. That's the good thing. You got to be at least 18 years and older to participate. And also, it's going to require you to do an English test. And of course, you have to pay your taxes at the end of the year. So it's a legitimate company. They want to make sure that you pay your taxes. Once they pay you, you have to deal with it. And here's the best part about the entire thing. It's a worldwide opportunity. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can participate. So if it's your first time here, my name is Andre. I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, in just different ways, how I can share my knowledge with you so you can go out there and you can create a life of freedom. You can also go out there and you can crush it. So make sure you sign up and like, subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell notification because I always talk about a brand new video every single day or every other day. I'll come out with one. So I don't want you to miss out, and you're going to be the first one to know, because if you don't catch the wave and you don't catch the trend, of course, a lot of people are going to get to it first. So make sure as soon as you get these notifications, you check out the videos and let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. For my regulars, it's so good to have you here to keep watching my videos over and over again. Now, the website that I'm going to be talking about is Transcribe Me. So I'm going to go through it step by step, and I'm going to show you exactly how it can work. Now, there's a lot of people say, well, I can't make money. I don't know how to make money. Now, this will put some money in your pocket. So I'm going to give you the resources that you need to get started right away, and you can start making some money. All right. So transcribemecom is a great website, and they're looking for transcriptionists. And if you don't know what transcriptionist is, it's basically people just going to transcribe audio files into text or text into audio. Whichever way you want to put it, that's what you're going to do. So once they upload the files to any device, and they're going to get the work done for you. So people will come on here and they would look at the pricing, they'll calculate the price, they'll get a quote, and if they have like large projects, of course, they're going to need a special rate because most of these companies got a lot for you to do, and they're looking for people to get some of the work done. So we're going to scroll through here. You can see what they do. They do consulting, the medical, educational, translation, market research, and technology. So there's multiple different things that they do. Of course, the people who are in the medical field, they're going to get paid a little bit more. For that one, I do think that you have to have a little bit of experience inside of the medical field. But anywhere else, you are ready to go. So some of the branded companies that they work for is Medallia. Facebook is one of them. Pandora, Cisco, Harvard University, that is huge. And they're looking for people all over the globe. So if it's worldwide, it's in your country, you can sign up for this right now. So if you would like to sign up, all you have to do is just click on sign up as a transcriptionist, and it will just take you over here. So become a paid transcriptionist today. So you transcribe audio, as I mentioned before, video, high quality text, and you can get paid. It's that easy. So best work from home site. It's been rated. People rate it because a lot of people come on here, they sign up for it, and they get paid. So it's recommended by Women's Today, Christian Science Mentor, Penny Hoarder. So these, if you don't know what Penny Hoarder is, it's a great survey site. If you don't know what Women's Day is, it explains it for itself. So they're looking for people. So let me show you some of the, as I told you before, anywhere from like $15 to $20 per hour where you can get started. So average monthly earnings, people are earning like $250, and the reason why they're probably doing it like part-time gig, and they just want to earn a little bit of extra cash. But I'm sure if you put in like full potential and you can become one of like the top monthly earnings, you can make a nice, sweet $2,200 per month. That is brilliant. So you could do that. So you can grow the growth and learning opportunities that we have here, and right there you can get started no experience or upfront investment, as I mentioned before, but you have to take that English test, because if you pass that test, you'll be ready to go. If not, you have to retake it, and you got to pay your tax. So it's free to join, no experience, no upfront cost. You work from home. Joining doesn't cost a penny. So if somebody is asking you for money, do not pay, because you're not allowed to pay. So all you need is an internet. You need a computer at home. So if you don't have that, you definitely need to make sure you get that right away. And the freedom and flexibility. You can transcribe short 1 to 2 minutes clips, not long interviews, and you could work whenever you want and however you want. How you're going to get paid, these are some of the program and the payment plan that they do. Of course, they're going to pay you regularly and securely via PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you got to get one right away. Now, USA, PayPal, that's how you're going to get the money deposit. And there's some frequently asked questions, of course, people are going to want to read, so you could check out the FAQ. So if you want to become a transcriptionist, you click on here, join the team. Once you click on the join the team, you create a brand new account. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Create an account. You can read through here. I don't want to go into too much details. And put your first name, last name, email. You put your password. Make sure you put your PayPal email right there. Select your country. As I said, it's worldwide, a majority of the world, but I'm sure you could get started. Pick your time zone, because they're going to be looking for people all over the place. Employment, if you're unemployed, you're employed. They need to know all that type of information. What type of English you know, North American, British English, Irish, because once you do that, you'll make sure you have Skype. Set up Skype, that's important, and also your phone number. So once you click on here, you create a profile, and they will send you jobs whenever they have something to transcribe. So once you get approved, you'll be up and running in no time. So that's how you can make $15 to $20 over and over again. So you can go on here, you could sign up. This is if you want to sign up for it, but the registration is where I've taken you to, and no need to look for work. It comes to you. Transcribe whenever, wherever, 24/7. Work as much as you want or as little as you want. And you transcribe short clips from like 2 to 4 minutes, not like long interviews. So they're coming in short. So over the hour, you'll get like different things to kind of spice things up, so you're not getting super bored and all that. So make sure that you check it out. If you're looking for my #1 recommendation, check out the first link in the description. Sign up for it right away. This is my YouTube channel. I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways where I can share my knowledge with you. So make sure that you sign up for it, subscribe, like, become a part of the family. Let me know if these things work, because if they do work, I'd like to hear from you, because I'm creating all these videos. So make sure you put these into place, put it into action, so that way you can bring in an extra income where you can support your family, your loved ones, and you can get started. So this is a great way how you could test out this online, make money online stuff. I just wanted to share that with you. And again, it is worldwide. It is a good thing that it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you could sign up for it. So don't try to do everything. Focus on one thing, get really good at it, and make sure you implement it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Once again, Andre, peace.